different, but they had to wait a while. But when it came, quality once again from Arsenal.
Yes, it was a little bit quiet. It was quiet. It wasn't actually quite as quiet as I thought it was to start with, because I wasn't getting any crowd effects in my headphones. I thought I've come to Islington Library, but then about 10 minutes in, it all got a bit louder. Yeah, they had to wait. One of those occasions where perhaps the team need to get the crowd going, and it was frustrating for them. And you know, don't take anything away from Fulham. They had their moments in the first half, but you always felt that once Arsenal scored a goal, then that would pretty much be it. And that's the way it worked out. Jason Cazorla with a couple of goals in the space of 5 minutes did the job. Arsenal weren't great today. Fulham weren't terrible, but the result was what everyone expected. 2-0 Arsenal.
Absolutely. Thank you very much indeed. What was your assessment of Arsenal today?
They got the job done, and that's what champions do. You know, I think I'm looking at United teams of old.
Champions-elect.
Yeah, champions-elect. Yeah, you know, when United weren't playing at their best, they'd always win games, you know, 1 or 2-0. And Arsenal, great possibility of winning the championship. And I think in games like this, when it's tight, bit of magic, Cazorla, Wilshere, you know, they can do it. Same in midweek at Aston Villa when they were terrific.
Did you see anything in Fulham's performance today that gives you hope?
For Fulham to survive, yes, I do, and there's reasons to be cheerful if you're a Fulham fan. But what's really interesting is Arsenal have set the cat amongst the pigeons and set the tempo. Chelsea have got to respond. City have already done that, and so have Liverpool. And of course, if then Chelsea beat United tomorrow, could they be 7-8 points behind fourth spot?
If Liverpool win
That's
tonight,
Liverpool win tonight.
Yeah.
So big questions to be answered. So it's all to play for.
What